Welcome to Nesvita Women of Strength Intern with your dream mentor. Last week, हमारी intern अपना bridal shoot present कर रही थी. Let's see what her mentor thinks.
Okay, Sarah, this is not bad. Not bad at all. Thank God. मुझे सबसे अच्छी बात ये लगी है कि जो मैंने आपको समझाया था कि ब्राइडल शूट है और उसमें हमारा फोकस ये है कि ब्राइडल कपड़े अच्छे तरीके से दिखने भी चाहिए, ट्रेडिशनल भी लगने चाहिए. Very good. Not bad at all for your first ever project. Thank you. All right.
Hello. जी, अस्सलाम वालेकुम हाजरा. For sure, I'll be there by 10. All right. Okay जी, Hafiz.
Sabina, this is Sarah.
Hi.
She's my intern for this summer.
All right.
And she will be doing the outfit for you.
Okay, great.
And I really hope she does a great job.
I have full faith in you, Sarah, and because I think it takes a lot to come up to the expectations of Hajra. I will be wearing it at an international event, and I will be portraying Hajra Hayat, and I want it to be as classy and sophisticated as a Western outfit. At the same time, उसमें Pakistani touch होना चाहिए. I want the Pakistani traditional element.
Inshallah, I'll try to put my best, and I would not disappoint you, inshallah.
All right, girl, you gotta go sketch.
Achha, Sarah, listen. When I look at these, this doesn't really have the oomph factor in it. You know, she's a youngish model. She has a certain image that she has to sustain. So go for a very long, flowy garment which has panels in it. Okay, it's not something that I would actually put on.
अगले हफ्ते देखेंगे कि सारा के क्लाइंट को उसका डिज़ाइन कितना पसंद आया. So keep watching Nesvita Women of Strength only on ARY Digital. For your comments and feedback, log on to www.nesvita.pk and www.facebook.com/nesvitapakistan.